Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Muddebihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about part 2, invasive weeds. An invasive species is defined as a species that is non-native to the ecosystem under consideration and whose introduction causes or is likely to cause economic or environmental harm or harm to human health. Not necessarily, although many noxious weeds are invasive. Invasive plants include not only noxious weeds but also other plants that are not native to this country or to the area where they are growing. The BLM considers plants invasive if they have been introduced into an environment where they did not evolve. To successfully smoother out invasive, be sure to cover these points. First, mow or weed whip low to the ground, removing as much vegetation as possible. Water the area until it is well saturated. This helps to remove air from the soil. Getting rid of unwanted plants and trees can be as simple as digging into your household cleaners. Borax, WD 40, and bleach all prevent plants from growing and will kill them. Once the chemicals have killed the unwanted plants, dig them up and dispose of them to prevent them from rooting again. Mulch once you have got the weeds out of your garden. Keep them coming back with a 3 layer of mulch. Straw will work as long as it does not contain weed seeds. Try some of these effective organic weed control methods instead. Mulching, covering the soil with an extra layer of organic matter, can smoother and inhabit weeds as well as prevent new weeds from germinating. Hand digging, competition, regulate food and water, solarize, limit tilling and digging. Invasive species and accompanying control effort can have long term public health implications. For instance, pesticides applied to treat a particular pest species could pollute soil and surface water. Weeds reduce yield in agriculture, though they may provide essential nutrients. Some deep rooted weeds can mine nutrients from the subsoil and deposit them on the topsoil, while others provide habitat for beneficial insects or provide foods for pest species. Many weed species are accidental introductions that accompany seeds and imported plant material. Many introduced weeds in pasture compete with native forage plants. Threatened young cattle are unpalatable because of thorns and spines. While all species compete to survive, invasive species appears to have specific traits or specific combinations of traits that allow them to outcompete native species. In some cases, the combination is about rates of growth and reproduction. In other cases, species interact with each other more directly. Common invasive species traits include fast growth, rapid reproduction, high dispersal ability, phenotype plasticity, tolerance of a wide range of environmental conditions, lastly association with humans. Okay, thank you friends. We meet in the next video.